So we have another property. Welcome to our channel. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humao Ascaturusa, your licensed real estate broker. So this property is 67,000 square meters or 6.7 hectares located here in Barangay Agsungot, Cebu City at 1,000 pesos per square meter. So tagsakalibo. Agsungot, Cebu City, approximately 30 minutes drive from Talamban, Cebu City. So dool ra siya, guys. The property is good for farming. So farming yun siya nga location, guys. Then as you can see, there are also neighborhood. So doon ay nagpuyo diri sa una, guys. There are people living in the area, but the owner have already separated, put them in one place. They have ibutang sila sa usa ka lugar. Then this chapel also is part of the property. Giminus na, although the property was 7 hectares or 70,000 square meters. Minusa na mo ng 67,000 square meters at 1,000 pesos per square meter net. Gusto sa owner net, limpyo na. So let's see, no, atong tanaw, no, atong paano diri, no. So asam tamo ka na basig madapan nato ni ari. Oh, kini guys apil pa ni, pero it's along concrete road yun, no. So gabi-gabi naman, but still we can still manage, no, to have a video. Ato lang ni balikon pohon. But no cutting, guys, no. Di pa ni pwede tipakan. Dako-dako gyud. So naay mga, there are coconut trees, guyabano. So this is really good place for farming yun ni siya, guys. Mango trees, banana trees, rolling terrain. Ngit-ngit naman yun. Balikon lang nato ni pohon, guys. Welcome back soon. So nindot kayo, that houses are part of the property, but it was already separated or not included to the size. So as I have said, the size was 7 hectares. So ang owner ani, guys, we are the one also who sold their property in Benaleo. Now they have a bigger property. Sa ila man ning kadaghanan, no? So sa ila ning kadaghanan, meaning they are years. Pila ka buok to sila mo pirma ani? Ha? Unom 6 signatories. So again, from Cebu City, mga kuan ra ni gikan, mga Talamban, mga 30 minutes ra gid ni. Oh, 30 minutes drive. Then the road is not big, no, going here, medyo narrow. Pero okay ra, at least it's a concrete road, nya pasaka ba going uphill. Pero sige lang, guys, at least, no, gwapo man sad ang location. Lingkri bitaw eh. So kini, oh, kini karsada ni ko ani. Oh. So nindot yun nga lugar, no. Hey. So the road is included to the ato ra ning ididak ning karsada kay given naman eh. Minus na lagi. So dito pa ni apil, dako pa ni kayo. So see. Again, for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. And we have also a website www.propertyph.net. Sige, gabi na. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.